Brandon Robinson, your friendly sales manager down here at Medicine Hat Toyota. And today, I'm super excited to bring this 2022 Tundra that we fully customized with the customer. Now, the Tundra was a full redesign this year. They swapped the engine out for a 3.5 liter twin turbo. Super exciting, full body redesign, full frame redesign, full suspension redesign. Super cool truck. We're super excited to have them start showing up here at Medicine Hat Toyota. This is a pre-ordered truck from one of our customers who actually did a full custom build at his discretion with a few of the things that he wanted to modify on the truck. But I don't know a whole lot about that, but I'll introduce you to Craig. He's our parts manager, and he'll tell you more about the setup.
Hi guys, Craig here, Medicine Hat Toyota. Yeah, it's a beautiful truck, 22 Tundra. So some of the upgrades that we've done to this truck, as per the customer's requests, he was pretty specific with what he wanted and the overall outcome that he wanted to have. So one of the upgrades is going to be the TRD steps. These are a coated step, really nice, really slick. One of the other upgrades that he wanted to do to it was tires and rims. The tires that we went with are Falcon Wild Peaks. These are 275/70 R18s. They're a low range E tire, so we'll take any weight that you can put on them. Would make it a 10-ply tire. And the rims are fuel ammo. They're an 18-inch rim. Decided to keep his stock rims for probably what he's going to use for winter. The other upgrade that we've done so far is going to be, you can't really see it, but is a leveling kit on it. It's a Rough Country 1.75 inch leveling kit, so it gives a nice, true kind of aspect to the truck and allows it to level it out really nice. Customer's still probably going to do some upgrades on this, but we're going to wait to see which way he goes next. Again, any kind of upgrades or customizations that you want to do, feel free to reach out to the parts department. Myself, Carmela, Nigel, whomever. You guys call and we'll sort you out. Thanks a lot, guys. Have a good day.